Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to use OpenAI Dall-E 3 for free now. If you would like to use the new AI art generator unveiled by OpenAI this month for free, this video will provide a quick overview of how you can use Dall-E 3 AI art technology and its features. Accessing and using the Dall-E 3 AI image generator for free can be accomplished using Bing Image Creator, enabling those interested to test out the power of the new OpenAI Dall-E 3 AI art generator, testing its capabilities and comparing it to other AI image generators, and showcasing examples of images generated by Dall-E 3. Dall-E 3, the latest iteration of OpenAI's image generation model, which will soon be available to ChatGPT Plus users. The new AI art generator has been specifically created to understand significantly more nuance and detail than its predecessors Dall-E and Dall-E 2. This allows users to translate their ideas into exceptionally accurate images with ease. Even when given the same prompt, Dall-E 3 delivers significant improvements over Dall-E 2. One of the unique features of Dall-E 3 is its integration with ChatGPT, another AI model developed by OpenAI. This integration allows users to use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner and refiner of prompts. Users can simply ask ChatGPT what they want to see in anything from a simple sentence to a detailed paragraph, and ChatGPT will generate tailored, detailed prompts for Dall-E 3. Integration with ChatGPT will be rolled out very soon during October 2023, which ChatGPT is charging $20 a month for. Until then, you can test out its capabilities using the Bing Image Creator online service. Access to Dall-E 3 can be gained by logging into Bing Image Creator through a Microsoft account using different web browsers such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. To test if you have access to Dall-E 3, you can type in a complicated text prompt that Dall-E 2.5 cannot generate. If the text comes out clear, then you have the access to Dall-E 3. Now let's jump into how to actually tell if you do have the access to Dall-E 3 through Bing Image Creator. So just search Bing Image Creator, then click the first one, and this is the Bing Image Creator. Every time you log in with one of those new browsers or new apps on your phone, and yes, you do need a Microsoft account. It could be your Xbox account, Outlook account, whatever it might be. You can use the same account every time you log in, but once you get to the site, you're going to want to type in a prompt that has complicated text that Dall-E 2.5 couldn't create. So we'll use the example here. Photo of SpongeBob holding a sign that says subscribe to Technic Force. Then let's click create. If it just gives you a text like try another prompt, then you didn't get access to Dall-E 3 yet, unfortunately. But if the text comes out clear and beautiful, then you absolutely have access to Dall-E 3. Let's take a look at these SpongeBob characters we did just generate, better than most SpongeBobs generated by AI art image generators. I'm sure you can say that. And yeah, that's just one of the many capabilities that Dall-E 3 has. This model is so powerful, it's hard to quantify. So yeah, that's the tip to get access to Dall-E 3.
Before we end this video, start your e-com store in 10 minutes flat. Create your own high-converting e-com store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. Hundreds of ready-made plug-and-play templates. Easy to use, no-code e-com store builder. Dozens of payment gateways from around the world. Sell anywhere without restrictions. No profit sharing or charges per order. Create breathtaking sale pages for your products. Powerful analytics inbuilt, and a lot more. Shop Funnels is all you need to set up your e-com store. So what are you waiting for? Get Shop Funnels now. Just go to getshopfunnels.in.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.